I invite you all to know about English literature. In English literature, my today's topic is Macbeth. Macbeth is a great English tragedy. It is written by William Shakespeare. Shakespeare is a great dramatist, as you all know. Macbeth is one of the four great tragedies other than like Hamlet, Othello, King Lear. I am here talking about Macbeth. If we know about Macbeth, the main theme of the Macbeth that is based on ambition. We all have some ambition, but if our ambition is good, that is good. But if our ambition is go in wrong direction, bad direction, that is not good. In the same way, in Macbeth, the ambition which Macbeth have, that is not good. After that, in the last, the result of the ambition that was bad, that is also bad. For example, if we want to reach, what should we do? We should do hard work. But if our ambition is bad, what we will do? We will murder to someone or other things also. If we murder to someone and got money, after that we can fulfill our ambition, but that ambition is not good. In the same way, that happens in Macbeth also. In this lecture, I will explain Macbeth's characters and the summary of the Macbeth in a easy and simple way. Now I will explain its characters and its summary through its characters are in this way. Duncan, who is the King of Scotland. Duncan, who is the King of Scotland. Duncan have two sons, Malcolm, who is the elder son, and Donalbain, who is the younger son. Duncan have two sons, Malcolm and Donalbain. Duncan have some army men, generals like Macbeth, who is highest in rank, some other like Banquo and Macduff. These three are army men or general in army. Macbeth, whose wife is Lady Macbeth. Who played a great role in this play? Banquo, whose son is Fleance. Banquo, whose son is Fleance. Duncan has a messenger who is Ross. Messenger who is Ross, who provide or send each type of message to everyone in the court. Here is fool also. Porter, who is a fool. Macbeth used in most of his plays fool. Here is a fool who is Porter, who is attendant in Macbeth's castle. Here are three witches. Here are also three witches. They are also played a great role or encourage Macbeth to fulfill his ambition. The queen of these three witches, that is Hecate. Hecate is the queen of these three witches. So these are the main characters in this play. Duncan, who is the king of Scotland, Macbeth, Banquo, Macduff, these are army men. Duncan have two sons, Malcolm, elder son, Donalbain, who is younger son. Macbeth's wife is Lady Macbeth. Banquo, whose son is Fleance. Here is a messenger, Ross, Full, Porter, three witches, and Queen Hecate. These are the main characters. Now I will tell about the story or summary of this play, Macbeth. When the story begins, here is a trio of three witches. Three witches are dancing and singing. They are dancing in a circle and they are singing, fair is foul and foul is fair. After that, play moves to in a battlefield. Here is a battle is going on between two armies. Here is Scotland and Norway. Battle is going on between Norway and Scotland. From the Scotland side, Macbeth and Banquo, two are playing their role in the battlefield from the Scotland side. In the battlefield, Macbeth, who fought with bravery and defeated two Norway army. And on the other side, Duncan got this news about the bravery of Macbeth and he declared Macbeth the Thane of Cawdor. On the returning to Scotland, Macbeth and Banquo, they meet three witches. Macbeth and Banquo, they meet these three witches, and these three witches make a prophecy, we can call Bhavishyavani, for Macbeth. Three witches call Macbeth that he will be the Thane of Cawdor and will be the king in future for a short time. They also make prophecy for Banquo also. He says that the three witches says that Banquo, whose heirs will be the kings. Heirs means his son. His son, after that his son, they will be the future king. After that, they don't think about this prophecy made by three witches. But when Duncan sent his messenger Ross to Macbeth and Banquo to give the good news about the Thane of Cawdor, Ross tell to Macbeth about Duncan's decision that now Macbeth, you are the Thane of Cawdor. After that, Macbeth think about the three witches' prophecy and he returned to Scotland. And Macbeth, who met to Lady Macbeth in a castle and tells about all these things about the meeting with three witches, and Lady Macbeth, he is also so ambitious and think about that she will be the queen of the Scotland, and she encourages again and again to Macbeth to be the king of Scotland. And after that, Macbeth arranged a feast or dinner party for Duncan in his castle. Macbeth invited Duncan for dinner party in his castle, and Duncan reached in Macbeth's castle. One side feast preparation is going on, party is going on, and on the other side Macbeth and Lady Macbeth, they are planning for murder of Duncan, King of Scotland. After that, Duncan went for sleep, and Macbeth and Lady Macbeth, they want to murder to King of Scotland. Macbeth somewhere lose his confidence, but Lady Macbeth again and again encouraged to Macbeth, and she says that you are a man, you can't do that type of work. If I will be a man, I can do it easily. After that, Macbeth saw a hallucination. In hallucination, he saw a sword in the air, and after that he went into Duncan's room. Before it, he gave high drink or poison in the high drink to the attendant of Duncan, and after that Macbeth murdered to King Duncan, and both Macbeth and Lady Macbeth changed their dress and went to sleep. And in the morning, when all gathered and know about the murder of the Duncan, Duncan's two sons, Malcolm and Donalbain, they are in so much fear. They thought that if his father is murdered, they can also be murdered, and they flee to Malcolm and Donalbain. They flee to England. Both they flee to England. On the other side, Macbeth, he also show so much anger, and in anger he killed two attendants, and Lady Macbeth, she is also showing so much anger, and she also got fainted. She is not actually fainted, but she show that she is so much grief, and after that she also fainted. In that time, Duncan, who is murdered, Malcolm, Donalbain, his son, they flee to England. There is no one who can be the king. Macbeth, who got this chance and became the King of Scotland. After that, Macbeth has one ambition that is fulfilled, or one prophecy made by three witches that is fulfilled, and he became the King of Scotland. After he reminds or remember about Banquo's prophecy, because three witches, they also make a prophecy for Banquo that his heirs will be the future king. Now Banquo, whose son is Fleance, here is a fear, or that Fleance can be the king. After that, Macbeth again make plan to be killed to Banquo and Fleance. He wants to murder Banquo and Fleance. He again arrange a party and invite Banquo and Fleance to both. After that, Macbeth hire two murderer to murder Banquo and Fleance, but two murderer able to murder Banquo, but Fleance flee away that place and not able to be killed by two murderers. After that, Fleance is alive and Banquo is killed by murderer. Party is going on. Here Macbeth watch again and again Banquo's ghost. Banquo's ghost appear again and again to Macbeth, and Macbeth is in so much fear. After that, Macbeth again meet to three witches to know about his future. Now again three witches appear with Queen Hecate, and they show the some appearance or some photos like Macduff. They show a child who is Macduff, and they show Birnam Wood. And they aware to Macbeth two things. One is Birnam Wood, and second thing, normal birth any man. Two things that Macbeth should aware. One thing is Birnam Wood, and second thing that is any normal birth man. Now Macbeth is Macbeth thinks that I have no need to take any type of tension because Birnam Wood can't come to me, and there is no man who is without normal birth because all are normal birth. On the other side, when Macduff know about all these things, that here is the murder of Banquo, Duncan, and two sons of Duncan, they flee from the Scotland. After that, Macduff, he is so conscious about all these incidents, and he went to England to meet Malcolm and to tell about all the incidents that happened in Scotland. After that, when Macbeth know about that, Macduff, he is arranging army or something is, like that, sometimes of that, to attack on me. After that, Macbeth went to Macduff's house and murdered his wife and his children. When Ross gave this news to Macduff that his wife and his children that are killed by Macbeth's murderer, he is in so much anger, and he arranged a army, English army with Malcolm, and they plan to attack on Macbeth. On the other side, Lady Macbeth, whose condition is going worse and worse. She is not feeling fine. She is always in sleepwalking scene. She always washes hands again and again. She thinks that the bloods of Duncan's murder is not sparing. She again and again washes his hands. Now Macbeth got news that English army is near about to attack on the Scotland. On the other side, Macbeth think that up to that time Birnam Wood is not rich to me, and any normal woman born man can attack me or harm me. At the same time, Macbeth got the news of Lady Macbeth's suicide, because Lady Macbeth, she suicide, she is so much psychological disturbed and she suicide herself. Macbeth, now he is stand lonely because all his strength, that was his wife. Now he is alone, and on the other side he saw that Birnam Wood that is approaching towards him, because Malcolm and Macduff, they arranged and they cut the Birnam tree and Birnam branches to hide himself, and they approach to Macbeth. There is battle is start, fighting is start, and Macbeth meet to Macduff, and Macbeth tell to Macduff that you can't harm me, only a man who is normal birth that can harm me. Macduff says that I am Caesarean, I can kill you, and in the last Macduff killed to Macbeth, and here Malcolm became the king of Scotland. In this way, the ambition of Macbeth, that is ends. He is a nobleman, army man, great man, but his bad ambition, that is not good, that is spoiled to him in this way. If we have bad ambition, that is not good for me. If we can pleasure for some times, but its result will be not good. Thanks. Be connected, be watching, and be a learner. Thanks.